Buffalo Besties presents How to Help a Friend by Carl Newson, illustrated by Clara Anganuzzi. For Dr. Chris Zagoki, clinical nurse specialist Karen Bennett, and all the amazing staff at Whipps Cross Hospital and St. Bart's Hospital, London, thank you. KN. For Farheen, Rachel, and Emily, thank you for the countless years of love and support. CA. Some friends need a great big hug to feel that all is well. Some prefer to be alone. Some listen. Others tell the most adventurous stories of the times that came before. Some friends may not want to talk about it anymore. Some friends need a little help before their smiles can form. It could be in the rising sun. It might be in a storm. Some friends like to read a book, and some friends like a bath. Some just want to watch TV, while others need to laugh. Some friends have a list of things they'd like to try to do. Some friends will be happiest just to be with you, sitting, doing nothing much, and saying not a word. Sometimes just a tiny smile will let them know you've heard. Some friends keep a diary. Some friends write a letter. Some will sing their favorite songs to help themselves feel better. Some friends say a flower helps a heart that has an ache. Some prefer some ice cream and a lot of chocolate cake. Some friends don't want anything except to just feel sad. Some friends want for all the things they wish that they still had. Some friends want to go back home. Some may want to shout. Some friends want to keep it in, while others let it out. Some friends like to share their hearts to show you that they care. Some friends like to send a note to let you know they're there. Some friends will be with you, whether they are near or far. Some friends will be there for you, no matter where you are. Some friends will grow old with you. Some may come and go. Some will teach you things about yourself you didn't know. Some friends might need comforting to help them to feel good. Some might want to run it off around the neighborhood. Some friends want to fly away. Some friends want to hide. Some friends might want someone else but appreciate you tried. And maybe in a while, they'll be happy you were there. All of us are different. Everybody, everywhere. Some friends need a lot of friends to help them see things through. You can be the greatest friend just by being you. Please like and subscribe, and remember, every day is a good day to cozy up with a good book. See you next time.